我的中文好不好？
你也会出国台湾有办法。
可以爽吗？包子。You guys, I just got a little pan. This is my second bubble tea.
请不要先合起来哦。
你好，这个花龙糕多少？80。好。袋子有吗？
一个袋子吗？
一个是，一个茶叶蛋。
一个茶叶蛋，好。
All about a supplement. You guys, I've just gotten ready and I'm about to head out. I was just doing a lot of research about where I should eat because Taipei is a food city, so it can get overwhelming because there's so much. But we're just gonna go. I think I'm gonna go to a dim sum place. I think I also want to go to Kura Sushi, but I go to Kura Sushi all the time. So maybe I'll go to the dim sum place. We'll see. There's also a noodle place speaking Chinese today because I like these kind of videos and I speak Chinese and I never get to use it because I'm not always in China or in Taiwan. Taiwan, they speak Chinese here. They speak Mandarin. Even though some words are different, it's basically the same. So I'm gonna show you my outfit because I think it's cute. So I found this sweater yesterday. It's big and cozy. The weather is in the middle in Taiwan. It's not cold, but it's also not hot. So sweater's perfect. It's so cozy and soft. Of course, I got a large because I love everything oversized.袋子有吗？
一个袋子吗？
一个是茶叶蛋。
一个茶叶蛋，好。先帮你简单自己拿哦，这样71元。
Absolutely gonna die. There's a Hello Kitty collection at McDonald's. Okay, I'm going to McDonald's. Oh my gosh. There's a Hello Kitty collection. I wanted to go. Oh my gosh, you guys look. There's a freaking, please stop. Please stop. I then went to the post office to negotiate prices for me running my shipping for my website out of Taiwan. For those of you who don't know, I have a business Maryjane's World Tour where I ship you guys packages that I put together from around the world. And I just recently put together 2 Taiwan boxes. And so since I am shipping in large numbers, I wanted to get a quote on how much it would cost me. So I sent my first batch of boxes out. And if you're unaware, I have just added a Hello Kitty box. This was so fitting for Taiwan. I was thinking, what am I going to add on my website as far as Taiwan? What can I offer special from Taiwan? And Taiwan is definitely Hello Kitty obsessed. You guys saw the 7-Eleven. They have an entire Hello Kitty airline here in Taiwan. Everything is Hello Kitty, everything. So I had to put a Hello Kitty box from Taiwan on my website. It's now available. This will not be available that long, only a couple of days, because I will only be in Taiwan for about 2.5 weeks. So I don't have a ton of time to ship. So this will only be available for a few days. If you or you know somebody loves Hello Kitty, grab this box for them. Everything I put in the box is made in Taiwan and absolutely delicious. And I put a bunch of beauty stuff in there too that I've been loving and found here. And I think this box is so cute. So linked below, go grab my Hello Kitty box on my website, maryjanesworldtour.com. Shipping would only take around 3 to 8 business days. So it would get to you super quick. And I got a good price for shipping. So I think you have all the reason to go get yourself and your girlfriend a Hello Kitty box, no matter what age you are. I still love Hello Kitty. So yeah, the box is full of delicious snacks and beauty products now available on my website. Link down below. Go grab yourself a box. And also, it helps support my mission to visit every country in the world. Look how cute, you guys. I just found this. Try it. I have so much stuff in my hands because I'm shipping packages for my website. So try to eat this with one hand. One of my favorite things to do in Asia is shop for medicine because they just have the best stuff, honestly. Okay, I'm in heaven. I'm in supplements area. I'm all about a supplement. You guys, this toothpaste says black people, white. 黑色人，白色. It says black people have teeth like black people, basically. This is my second bubble tea. I always get the green tea latte with pearls. So good. Bubble tea comes from Taiwan, so you guys definitely should come to Taipei and get yourself bubble tea. It's everywhere. And it's so good. It's so delicious. Yummers. And I'm very full, so I'm about to go back. 我的中文好不好？
没有关系，因为这个要讲得清楚，我才会有办法带你去。
对
115。
好的。So I'm gonna head back out there around 5 p.m. because that's when everything starts to open up. But I just want to introduce to you guys my Taiwan box. If you don't know about my website, basically, I have a website, maryjanesworldtour.com. If you guys don't know, I don't know why you wouldn't know if you watch this channel, but I'm on a mission to visit every single country in the world. I want to be the next person who completes the challenge to see every single country. I plan to finish this year. I've got 66 countries left. And yeah, it's no joke being a solo female traveling the world. It's not something that is easy. That's why nobody does it. It is taxing time-wise, financially. You need to be able to, like, nobody can just, like, not a lot of people have the ability to just travel and do nothing else. So that's what I've been doing, completing this goal. But also, it's not about the goal, it's about the journey. So I'm not doing it to get that title of visiting every country in the world, but that will be an amazing accomplishment, you know. But yeah, I plan on finishing, and I started my website, Maryjane's World Tour, to help me support my mission to visit all countries. It's not easy, especially not financially. Oh my goodness. Woo! Traveling every single country in the world might be one of the most expensive things you could possibly choose to do with your life, and that's no joke. It's mad expensive. So I started my website, maryjanesworldtour.com, to help for me to put things on my website that you guys might like from the countries I'm in. So it's also a way you can support me in my mission to visit all countries, and a way for you to get something cool. So I'll always try to find cool stuff within the country I'm in to offer to you guys, so to ship. So I have Taiwan items on my website right now. I have my Taiwan snack box. I'm sorry, did you guys see the Hello Kitty 7-Elevens or the Tom and Jerry themed 7-Eleven, or just any snack food store here? Japan, it's similar to Japan, which is really interesting. Taiwan is very similar. I would say they even go further with the snacks. Like, Taiwan is really into delicious snacks. So they've got all, like, the cutest and most delicious snacks and just food in general here. So I have a Taiwan box. I actually went to the post office today and I got a better quote on my shipping. So because I told them, they did give me a flat rate of $50 US to ship to the US, but I told them I'm going to be shipping a lot of boxes, so that's why you guys saw me at the post office today. And they said, okay, since you're going to be shipping, I told them the number of boxes that I plan on shipping, and they said, we're going to bring the rate down for you. So they brought the rate down to $35 for me, which is amazing, because it would have been $50 a box just for me to, if I shipped a pencil, it would have been $50. That's the flat rate of shipping to the US, EMS. So, and EMS is expedited shipping, right? So it's within a week. So they gave me the price of $35, which is amazing. They're so sweet. So anyways, I shipped off some boxes today, and I'd love for you guys to get my Taiwan snack box. It's basically, think of it like an Asian snack box. So it'll be a box full of Taiwan snacks. So, and that just means Asian style, you know what I mean? Like really, really cool stuff you won't find in the US. So they have a lot of these brands we have in the US, but they like do really cool flavors. So look at that. This is chicken flavored Lay's, kind of a mix between a Pringle and a not Pringle. I don't know. A lot of that, Kunomi everything. Kunomi she's everything here in Asia right now. She's almost kind of pushing Hello Kitty out of the way. Kunomi snacks, these spicy garlic, everything here is so, everything, Taiwan is about like savory, really rich savory flavors. So spicy garlic flavored Doritos and spicy chicken flavored sold in Asia, and then some fire noodles. I'm back in the
好。
这个换广告多少
80。
好的，一个。啊，对，对对，是。No one's paying me any attention. Stronger rope. I want some more chicken feet. Ooh. These dumplings are. These fried dumplings, though. Not Netflix popcorn. What about